All right, I'm entering a live trade or two in front of you guys here. I'm entering an Ethereum live trade, and I'm going to enter a EOS live trade as well. 68.21. Yeah, I'm going to try to short 10. Yeah, I guess I'm going to try to short like 10 or something here. 10 Ethereum, and I'm going to also short I'm in a short for how many EOS? For $12,000 of EOS and $6,000. Let's see if I actually want to enter anything. Sorry, the screen's just kind of bugged up sometimes here. I don't know why it does that. I think I'm going to enter a Litecoin short as well. Yeah, I'm going to enter a Litecoin short. How many should I enter here? Sorry, the screen just kind of bugs up sometimes. I don't know why it does that. Okay, let's enter a 10 Litecoin short as well here. So let's go with 10 here as well. I don't believe it's going to go up anymore, so I'm very bearish right now. Very bearish short term. Just opening up another screen here. Sometimes I got some screens to hide as well, which I don't want obviously open, so there we go. This should be okay now. I'm just going to put my Twitter somewhere else. Actually, I don't care where my Twitter is. So I'm in a Litecoin short. Okay, I'm in a Litecoin short right now. I think it's going to actually make one more tick down at least somewhere there. I'm in an Ethereum short. Okay, I'm going to close my short around 62 here. Just not really that high. Like we're talking like just 60. You know, I'm basically trying to capitalize on many small trades at once, which you guys should try to understand, right? That I'm not here to make some major plays on anything. I'm just here to take some very small profit on multiple trades that will hopefully add up. Litecoin, I'm hoping for it to actually come down here a little bit, just a tiny bit at least, right? So let's just go to Litecoin right here. There we go. Let's go to Litecoin. I'm hoping for it to come down just a tiny bit to like 157 range. This is not really much of a profit, to be honest. Oh, how many Litecoin did I enter? 10. That's it. It's okay. Yeah, I think I want to enter about 10. Do I want to do more than that? Not really. Actually, I want to market execute this one. There we go. I market executed that one. Do I want to do any more than that? Yeah, I do. I want to market execute like 40 of Litecoin here. Okay, there. Perfect. Excuse me. Let's check out my EOS trade. That's my Ethereum. That's my Litecoin. Let's go check out. Okay, this is Litecoin. This is Ethereum. Let's go check out EOS. EOS, I'm up a lot right now. I'm doing probably the best out of all of them. Excuse me. I've got my short pretty low actually. Okay, it's actually pretty low, which probably shouldn't be that low. It should probably be at about 30 here. This is going to be a pretty decent trade. Excuse me. I should probably get my Litecoin order up as well. Litecoin, I'm probably just going to close it at, how many do I have? I got 50. I'll go 49.99. I just put this guy like around 148 or something, 158. Just something reasonable, not too high. Like we gotta take a look at we gotta take a look at how crazy this is right now, right? Looks like it might want to do actually one more wave up. So let's look at the level 2 for each one here. I've got all my limit orders set already. This one's doing okay. I've got it around the 30 ranges, okay? So I do believe it's actually going to end up downtrending because the stairway tick is actually pretty extreme in my opinion. So let's just take a look at here at how it's going to go. It's supporting it right now actually, which is kind of odd in my opinion. It's kind of odd how it's supporting it, yeah. So let's see if I'm going to make like $100 here or something like that. So we see people just slowly selling it here, right? So it doesn't look like it's going to hold. There we go. There we go. There we go. There's the $100 profit for EOS. Okay. Now let's go manage the other positions to see how this one's going right now. Alrighty. So this one's definitely down ticking right here. My positions, excuse me, sorry for coughing there, is at 168.21 right here. Okay, it's a very high RSI. Definitely cannot see it getting higher than that right now. So EOS is completely done. Let's close this window. We took our $100 profit there already. It hit my level that I wanted to hit. We're taking a look at Litecoin right now still, okay? It's actually making some inside bars, which is kind of worrying me. But if it does go a little bit higher, I definitely have some clearance because I allocated a really good amount for myself to short. So this one, people are slowly dropping the ball here, okay? They're slowly dropping it right now. Do I want to market execute and help them with it? That's the thing. How much more can I play here? I can play about 20 more. I don't know if I want to add 20 more to that. Let's just see what this is looking like. Um, Yeah, it's kind of scary, actually, but it does look like it's gonna drop. I'm probably just gonna break even here. Not break even, but like take a like $30 profit on that one. Litecoin is kind of losing me money right now. Litecoin is definitely losing me money. It's at 159 right now. Okay, I'll close my position for EOS for my last one as soon as I'm actually done this, um, and then caught up with all the other ones. I just got a cough. Excuse me here. Okay, so no one's really shorting for that right now. Let's see any other opportunities. EOS opportunity is done, in my opinion. Ripple opportunity is almost done. We just got to take a look at Bitcoin now to see where it's trending. And the way it's trending is it's pretty much hitting a resistance right now. Our size is still extremely high right now, but it may make one more little leap up, right, to 9,200 ranges. It's forming a lot of inside bars right now. There's a lot of push pull. Volume's kind of drying up. RSI is extremely high on pretty much every time frame, but sometimes it can correct, right? It can correct just sideways for. Oh, my throat's really dry. I need some water. There we go. Bitcoin Cash actually hit my target. My target was right around this particular range, exactly where we are right now. Okay, I believe this is making my last ending fifth wave diagonal. I think fifth wave diagonals are always shorted on my end. Yeah, ending fifth wave diagonals are always shorted, definitely. So I see it's something like that, perhaps. Let's see if this is actually going to make a decent formation of what I want. Not really, actually. Nah, not really. Not really at all. Do I want to short that? That's kind of a tough one to be considering right now. That's really high up there. How many bars do we have now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on the 7th candle of TD right now. Actually, the 9. We're on a 9 right now. Hmm. There's not really any steam loss yet. Like, there's not any indication of steam loss quite yet. Maybe right here. Oh yeah, there's steam loss. I'm gonna short Bitcoin Cash right now. Okay, let's short 10 Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, let's short 10 Bitcoin Cash right now. Um, just 10. If I can even do that much right now, can I? I can't remember. Let's make sure that I can actually short that much. I don't want to transfer more. Nah, I want to short like 6, I guess. That's a good amount. 129.4. Excuse me. See, the screen kind of disappears like that. Did you guys notice that? So I gotta kind of move the screen back and forth. Okay, 129.4. That's actually perfect. Let's try to get in the position here at around 5 for now. 5.99. That's gonna be good. So yeah, I don't think it's gonna go up any higher than that, to be quite honest. Let's go check the 3-minute chart on Bitcoin Cash. How's that looking? Yeah, it looks like it wants to come down now. The negative histogram is just about to tick. This looks like it's actually pretty much right at the peak of where it should be. So that's okay to me. That's looking decent, right? It's very hard to trade on one screen, but I'm doing this for you guys. So yeah, so don't mind myself just being kind of frantic. This is kind of how I trade. Lots go on when you trade, right? Like lots and lots of energy. And let's see what all of this ends up breaking out to be, okay? I'm just gonna open up some more screens here so we can get more. What are we? Are we down right now on anything? We're down on Ethereum. We're down on Litecoin. It's still going up a little bit right now. Ethereum is definitely ticking up a little bit still. It's super high on the RSI, so I'm anticipating one more final wave up right now before it actually ends up dropping down. That's kind of usually how it goes, in my opinion. So right now I'm looking at Ethereum. I'm looking at BCH. right? I'm kind of shorting everything right now, and I'm looking at Litecoin as well right now. Litecoin's kind of being a biatch. I'm kind of I broke kind of even just on all three trades so far, right? Actually, I'm kind of down right now on all three trades when we look at it like that, but that's okay. We just have to give it a little bit of time, right? This is good doing the ABC correction, and then the next one we are most likely going to end up down ticking, in my opinion. So we just gotta wait to see what this is gonna give us. Yeah, this is definitely a really high end there. Like, Bitcoin is still rallying right now, actually. If you guys take a look, it's still trying to rally, but more likely than anything, it's just not gonna rally anymore. I just look at the RSI, guys. I mean, check it out. Check out the RSI. It's literally at 87 right now. So how could anyone really think that it's gonna go that much higher, like it's hard to think of it as it possibly going much higher right now. So we just got to be very patient and we just got to wait and see what goes on. So Litecoin ended up just going upwards there. So I kind of made a mistake shorting it thus far. Okay. But this is kind of expected, like I mentioned, right? This is definitely expected. People just ended up rejecting it a little bit already, as you guys can see. My Litecoin position is not really that big, right? But my Bitcoin Cash position is kind of scary right now. It's scary that I'm really, really down on it, actually. So, yeah. So, how's Ethereum looking? Ethereum, Ethereum is not bad. It's losing its steam, that's for sure. Okay, losing its steam. So, as long as I close a decent position, I've only got 10 Ethereum. I'll make $30 there on Ethereum. That'll be 140. Litecoin is, doing okay, I guess. Litecoin is starting to downtick, right? It's definitely starting to downtick. Let's open up another screen for Bitfinex. Usually I got these on multiple screens, but once again, I'm trading here in front of you guys, so I can only have X amount of screens up at a time. So this is going to be Bitcoin, this is going to be Litecoin, that's BCH, and that's Ethereum. So let's see how we can manage these positions just by doing quick on the fly TA here. My position is really not that low away from everybody here. I mean, if I close at 158 on 40, I'll be making $50. So this whole thing, I should be making about 300 if I win all of them. But I don't expect to win all of them. I only expect to win half of them, to be honest. Okay, I only expect to win half of them, and that's generally how it is. So let's look at the level 2 here. Level 2, people are still buying Ethereum. That's crazy right now. That people are actually still buying Ethereum. Like, wow. How's Bitcoin looking? Are people actually selling? Yeah, it looks like people are starting to sell a little bit more now. You guys notice there's more red? I kind of keep my knees up when I sit, guys. So don't mind me, all right? I'm just gonna get very, very comfortable here. So 180, 182, 85. Big wall here at the 185. People are definitely trying to push up the price right here. 185. There's a big wall, a decent sized wall holding it up there. But 186, right? So people are starting to stack up in there as well. I'm probably really down on my positions now. Ethereum actually ended up going upwards, so yeah, I can't really see it getting much higher there. It's at the 5-minute RSI, super overbought. You guys can see that for yourselves as well, right? This one's probably going to make its final wave up, and then it's going to come down, and I think that this will actually be the very, 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 very top for Bitcoin Cash. There's no other way to see it right now other than seeing this as pretty much very much so near the top. It's just it's so trending high, right? It's so high, guys, that it seems like it's bound for a drop very, very soon. And I can't help but think that the time is going to be very near, right? Even though it's parabolically moving up still, I do believe, guys, it's going to be time for it to actually drop down over here. It's just a matter of time, in my opinion. Sometimes you got to go for many of these trades, right? You go for many of these trades at a time, and you're bound to win a few of them, right? Just over time. So it's just a matter of managing them accordingly. And don't get me wrong, like I do go long, but right now it's just I missed the long opportunities, so I may as well just short it, right? Why not? But it really did hit my target range of around the 1500 mark. That's exactly where I projected it would be. If you guys remember from my previous tweets and stuff like that, I think I was counting it on a 4-hour time frame or 3-hour time frame or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the fifth wave going up here like that. Yeah. 48. Oof, it's really going up actually. Yeah, my stop loss will be pretty high. I'll probably just end up adding more to my position if something does end up happening. It's usually how I play. It's not the best way to play at all. Like you guys should never do what I do like that, which is add more to your position if you're down. But it's more so for advanced strategies, right? That you're doing this. Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash. Whoa, it's at 150 now. Holy crap! Really down on this position now. Ethereum is still ticking up, really, really ticking up. But it's reaching more so the negative histogram right now than anything. So I kind of want to just break even on all of them now because I'd rather just take my $100 profit. I don't even think that this wedge here, this wedge thing of mine is actually holding because yeah, it's not really a pattern that I should have banked on at all. So 153, I'm pretty down on that position now. 154 on the 1-minute chart, it's getting extremely, extremely high right now. Bitcoin is 9,200. Okay, that's why, guys, because Bitcoin is ready to do one more wave up to the 9,300 range, right? 9,300 range. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. My jaw sometimes hurts. Yeah, Bitcoin is doing one more wave up. I'm guessing to 9,300. Maybe 90. Yeah, 9,300 roughly. Maybe. And then after that, it's go time. Down. Nowhere else but down, guys. I think every coin is going to be dragged down with it as well. So I'll be back when there's more of an update. Hey guys, I am back. I'm not doing that well in my trades. Oh man, I'm not doing that well at all on my trades. Like Bitcoin Cash is almost breaking even finally. Like I was down so much on it, and there always comes that time, guys, where it's like, oh, do I actually just do I add more to my short position? Do I add more to my short position? Do I just let it ride? And obviously, the right answer would be to ride it here in this particular case, right? So I'm almost even here on Ethereum. On Ethereum, I'm almost even as well. Yeah, everything is like coming down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. I put my feet up on my desk, guys, because I'm a boss. When you are your own boss, you can do whatever you like. You can do whatever you like. Let it fall, let it fall. The bulls can't hold it up anymore. Let it fall, let it fall. Turn away and slam the door. Come on, just go down. I'm almost even, baby. Litecoin just needs a hard slap in the balls right now, honestly. Yeah, you guys know what to say. When you can't keep something up that high, you just gotta slap the balls really damn hard. You gotta finish it off with a nice little mushroom stamp. That's what it's gotta do right here, right now. It's so overbought right now. We're so over like extended right now. Like so overextended we're talking about, guys. Like damn, it needs to come down already, man. Like it needs to break down, honestly. I'm gonna even be greedier, I think. Oh wow, look at this staircase step down here over here. Let's take a look at this right now. I want to see a 3-minute chart. That's the chart that interests me the most all the time. Yeah, guys, I love 3-minute charts. I'm not going to deny that, okay? 3-minute charts are by far my favorite charts, no matter what anybody says. As you guys have probably seen before, I'm probably going to put this like 17. No, I'm not going to be greedy. I'm honestly just going to take my really crappy profit and just try to break even on most of them. There we go. Ethereum, I'm almost broken even on it. Stressful trade. So even though it was even close to hitting my stop losses, like it's still stressful, like you got to understand the stress behind it, right? When I'm managing 4 positions right now, or I was, right? So it's like, whoa, I got to take it easy a little bit here. There we go. Ethereum's coming. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, man. Don't go up. Don't go up. I don't want you to go up, baby. I don't know why you want to go up. I want you to go down. You don't understand what I want, baby. Baby, just go down. Please don't go up, baby. Baby, what you do? Ethereum, baby. People need to sell. I don't know why they buy. Oh, Ethereum, baby. I'm like $10 up. I market executed, so my fees are still incredibly low. Like I trade I actually check my fees. I still have like the 0.05% of a fee. Half of a percent, so I'm good because I trade more than $30 million a month. Well, you guys do the math, you know. If I'm trading like 30, 40K positions, as you guys see, and I'm making like 10 trades a day, like more than 10 trades a day, actually, like, you know, actually, no, I'm at 22 million. I'm only at, yeah, I'm at 0.05%. I'm at 22 million, but I'm trading like, you know, 30, 40K positions, and sometimes I make 20 of these trades a day. So if you're just averaging out to like, say, 40K, and I'm making, let's just say 15 trades a day, that's $600,000 a day of trades, right? Or that's like I make 10 trades, but that's 40K each way, so that's 80,000 for example. And if I'm multiplying that by like say 15 trades, that's about 1.2 million dollars of volume traded a day, right? So it's a lot of volume, which is getting me to my really high price, or my my low fees, right? So that trade's going okay. Bitcoin Cash is definitely going to drop. I feel like going to drop soon. I see Bitcoin like it's not gonna happen, guys. It's not gonna break over 92-ish. 17. Like I'm just at 17. Like I'm not really that far away, honestly. Not at all. Yeah, it's a very bearish flag right now that's forming. And Litecoin, how are you doing? You're looking pretty good. I'll be back later, guys. All right. We're back now. Okay, we're back in action. Everything is looking okay. I'm not going to be making a gigantic profit from this trade. A little bit stressful managing four positions at once. That's the greed taking over entirely. Okay, my fees, I actually checked it. It's still fairly reasonable. Like I'm still going to be making a profit on like most of them, you can say. Yeah, I always like to put my feet up on my table. But don't worry, guys. I'm a very hygienic person. Like I clean it up every single day, so don't think I'm like disgusting or anything. As if you guys never put your feet up on the table there. So I'm just gonna check my Twitter here while you guys look at me taking some profit. Finally, Bitcoin's going down. You guys see Bitcoin going down? People are just wanting to sell Bitcoin. This is like people are just shooting away at Bitcoin right now, shooting away. If you guys don't know, make sure if you guys are on Bitfinex to always click on this accuracy button, this precision button. Okay, make sure it's on the highest. And if you guys also don't know, you can actually zoom in and out with the visualization depth, which actually gives you a wall, right? It gives you kind of an overall representation of how walls look. I'm pretty much broken even on Bitcoin Cash. I'm profited. I'm like, you know, in the profit right now. Bitcoin Cash, how's that looking? Oh, I missed my close chance. That sucked. Come on, just give me a little close, man. Like I don't even want a big profit. Come on, man. Just give me a little. Give me a bone here. I missed my chance to close. Oh, it's so annoying when it does that. I gotta refresh the page here. Give me a second. Always does that. Like when you right click on a certain spot on Bitfinex or TradingView, that's what actually happens. Kind of sucks. It doesn't really happen often, but you know, it's still annoying enough for it to be an issue sometimes. You can put it that way. Okay, I'm literally just right there, guys. Like literally, right? I honestly just want to break even because I'm stressed out from the trades because I've been over trading, right? So I'm just gonna try to take some profit where I can here. We're at 25 already right there. So yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, it's getting to the point where it's like, okay, I'm out of this trade no matter what. Like no matter what happens, I'm out of this trade. Ethereum, I'm gonna get out of this trade as well. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna get out of this trade. Honestly, I don't. There we go. Bitcoin Cash. How much did I make from that? $36. Okay. Bitcoin Cash. We're out of this trade. All right. Um, okay, let's see what's next now. You guys like that? 4 for 4? I'm gonna be 4 for 4 for my trades. That's what I do, guys. I'm not kidding when I tell you guys that I enter a lot of positions. I don't always win them, but you know what? I'm cool. I'm cool with the profits most of the times, right? Let's see what this one's at here. This is at 4. This is when someone dump onto me. Now we gotta manage Litecoin, guys. What are we gonna do about Litecoin, huh? Doesn't look like it really wants to go down, does it? Hmm? Let's look at Bitcoin right now. It actually ended up rebounding. Annoying. Hello. Okay, whatever. That's okay. All right. No one's even trying to close my position right there. It's so long in between trades for Ethereum. The liquidity sucks. Volume is high, but the liquidity actually sucks, which are very different things to me, okay? Like you guys see this right here? We're getting support right here on the 21 EMA. Come on. Come on, Litecoin. Just come down. It's not even that much, man. Everything is so overbought right now. Litecoin's doing okay, but like, we take a look at a lot of other coins right now. Like everything is like, whoa, overbought regions. Let's go to like a 3-hour chart for all of them. IOTA, we'll leave it there. We'll leave IOTA there. Actually, IOTA, I want to short it. Yeah, let's short IOTA. I don't think it's gonna break out of there, to be quite honest. That's kind of really, really pushing it above there. Like IOTA's daily is like, what the heck is happening on the daily, It's reaching some pretty crazy amounts right now here. It just feels like it's gonna snap anytime soon, and that people are just gonna take profit. Like it honestly, that's what IOTA feels like. It feels like the coin where people are really gonna start taking profits soon. And yeah, it's just like not gonna be fun when people take profit, guys. Not gonna be fun. Like we broke the 220 range. This might be the very last leg that we actually go up. Okay, where this goes 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going upwards like that. Litecoin is finally coming down. Okay, it's looking pretty good. But we want to look at the daily chart now and to see where these guys are trending. Okay, on the daily, and we see it trending pretty. Sorry, that's Litecoin. My mistake there. Bitcoin Cash is by far the most. It's so overbought right now, but there's no signs of it losing steam at all yet. Okay, not at all yet. When it goes down, we'll know it's gonna go down very hard. Trust me, guys. Okay, it's gonna go down very hard when it goes down. IOTA, I think we're almost at that point already. It got to 24. Ooh, it would have been so nice if I actually caught that up there, but I didn't catch that. That's okay. We don't catch them all, but we catch as many as we possibly can. That's usually the rules, okay? There we go. People are finally starting to sell. They're selling 0.4 at a time for Ethereum here. This guy's definitely going to come down. I'm going to probably make barely anything on here. It's not even going to be worth mentioning, right? They're definitely closing their position. Okay, I just sold a lot there, so I lower mine to 79. Whatever, I closed it. $8. Woo! People always ask me, what do I leave one left here? I always leave one left because then I can actually reflect my profit, right? Does that make sense? Why not? You leave literally one there, so you can actually reflect your profits right now. So I'm almost down. I'm almost profitable on this one. I'm gonna make frick, $15 on this trade. It looks like $15. Literally, I'm gonna make 15 bucks on that trade. We just gotta wait for it to break below here. Doesn't look like it's gonna bounce, to be quite honest. If it does bounce, I'll be very, very surprised here, okay? Oh wow, that guy actually Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm actually profitable now. Horrible trades. I just got a cough. I'm gonna mute my mic. Okay, 82 there. There's only 211 Litecoin, right? And people are dumping in pretty big amounts there. So I can anticipate that's gonna be a not a best profit, but it's gonna be a profit, put it that way, okay? People are definitely gonna end up pushing it down here. I've moved my limit order down a little bit to take more profit. So you guys hear Luna? She's just barking away right now. No, 89 now. Some guy slammed the market. He wanted to buy 500. See, he went to buy 500 EOS or Litecoin there, so he just slammed the market going up like that. Seems like a lot of people want to buy at this particular price, which I can understand, right? But come on, man. I'm just gonna go 59.01. I'm gonna finish. I want to get out of this trade. I'm interested in shorting IOTA, honestly. Like really interested in shorting IOTA. I think it is reaching dangerously overbought conditions right now, and it needs to be addressed. Shorting when it gets like 21, 22-ish. Bitcoin is not really budging right now at all. This is just kind of chilling there. Litecoin is doing nothing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade and just take a small loss on it because I don't want to be in this trade. That's the truth. I don't want to market execute though because it costs way too much. Because now that they've changed it, yeah, no 0% fees for everybody anymore. So let's just keep looking over the charts. What's very, very overbought? You know, what's got a chance for it to come down? Of course, on the daily chart, really high chances of it coming down is you know, Ripple is okay, but Ripple looks more like it's doing a bear flag to go up. Okay. EOS is just kind of like, wow, what's going on with it right now? It's just on fire, EOS right now, okay? So yeah. Hmm. Nobody's even selling Litecoin. Like that's the thing about Litecoin. There's just no liquidity sometimes. Well, there's liquidity, but the supply, the demand for it is just it's so crappy in my opinion. It's like honestly really bad. So it's like sometimes you end up waiting a very long time to close a position because of crappy things like this, right? I'm gonna close Ethereum now that I'm done with it. Okay, we look at Bitcoin still, and still sideways trending right here. Is there one more wave up? Right, this is such a difficult Elliott wave count, in my opinion, but I do believe it's actually gonna end up coming down. I think IOTA is actually gonna come down as well very soon. I think it's just a matter of time. We're hitting Constant Brown's RSI rule as well right now. Okay, here we go. We're finally back to kind of these levels. It kind of peaked up a tiny bit right there, but I don't know if I want to take even a $10 loss because we have to understand that trading is about minimizing and maximizing. So you even if it's a $10 loss, right? $10 loss is 10 times or 100 times could be $1,000 in the grand scheme of things. So you want to try to make sure that you're minimizing them as much as possible, right? That's kind of how I see trading. But I don't know if this is actually going to support or not. Like that's the thing right now. So I feel like it's kind of making its ABC correction. Actually, I feel like it's going to be making an ABCDE correction. So maybe I missed out on my opportunity already. I don't want to market execute either because then you end up paying like $10, $20 fee, and you know they really add up at the end of the day, right? So here are some people actually selling right now. I'm at 150. I'm gonna go to just 159, 113 here, and we'll get this out of the way, okay, guys? We'll get this out of the way. You know, it won't be that crazy of a loss or anything. It's gonna be tiny. So, but you know, the important thing is you guys are seeing how I manage these positions, right? And you see how I go through these roller coasters. Oh, I'm tired. Okay. You guys see how I go through these roller coasters of emotions as well while I'm trading. So that's really important to remember as well. I want to go to bed. I'm just gonna undercut this guy. Someone undercut me. Okay, you can have that 47 Litecoin, man. Doesn't look like it's gonna hold though. Anyways, you know, I'm gonna prematurely take my profit. Trust me, guys, I am. IOTA is really at a standstill right now. Um, it's really at a standstill right now. The daily chart is the only thing giving it away, but it goes up and down like a yo-yo. This thing, like really much so like a yo-yo. You know, you guys see how it's going right now? It's like okay, it's really up and down. So I don't think I want to trade anymore today. I'm over trading, guys. Like I'm really over trading right now. And because I'm over trading, I'm getting extremely tired as well. So I don't want to actually put in any more work than I want to right now. So I think I'm definitely done trading. Okay, so come on, man. It's just a little bit. It's not even much. Dude, it's only like a little bit. It's what I don't like about trading Litecoin. It's just so boring. I'll be back when it actually closes. Forget it. I'm closing the trade here. Doop. There we go. So, wasn't really the best live trade. Managed 4 trades. I ended up making how much here? Um, it's not bad though. Managing 4 trades plus 8 plus 36 minus 23, $131 profit. Managing 4 trades over an hour. Yeah, okay, I'll take it. You guys wanted more live trade videos? There you go. So I'm just gonna screenshot this for my Twitter as well. I just managed 4 live trades. It was brutal. It was brutal to manage. And that's the outcome of them right there. So have yourselves a great day, guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support. Make sure that you're upvoting this on Steemit, which I'd appreciate even more. Bye. Have a great day. See you.